Hi everyone, welcome to Business Core Tutoring. I'm Devon Coombs, and today I will cover question 6 in our series regarding statistics. Let's begin. Question 6 reads, a political scientist is studying voters in California. It is appropriate for him to use a mean to describe A, the age of a typical voter, B, the party affiliation of the voter, C, the sex of the voter, D, the county of residence of the voter, or E, none of the above. So the big question here is, what is quantitative data and what is qualitative data out of all of this? Because we use a mean generally to describe quantitative data because you take the average of something measured. So let's understand the mean and let's understand the difference of quantitative and qualitative data. So the mean is an average. It's a type of average. We generally use it with quantitative data because we get it by adding up all of the data we have and dividing it by the number of data sets we have. So we have to figure out the difference between this quantitative data that we would measure with the mean and the qualitative data that would not be measured with the mean. So the quantitative data is something like height, right? So if, let's say that the average American male is 5'10", that's their mean height. We would get that by taking all American males and taking all of their heights and dividing by the number of males. American males in, the males in America. You get it. That is obviously quantitative because we can measure that. There are certain things we can't really measure, like color or the county of residence or even customer satisfaction. We can try to measure these things, and sometimes we can give quantitative instruments to a county of residence or customer satisfaction or even colors. But in general, these would be considered qualitative because they are not measurable or easily measurable. Again, sometimes you can make quantitative instruments for these things, but on their face, they are not quantitative, they're qualitative. So, if we go back to this, we can see that the age of a typical voter is the only thing that we could take the mean of, or it would be, the mean would be best used to describe the age of a typical voter. This is because we could just take all the typical voters and then find all of their ages, divide all the ages by the amount of typical voters, and we could find the mean. Party affiliation, we couldn't do that. It would be extremely difficult to find that. We'd have to give quantitative instruments to the party affiliation, so it would be difficult. There's other ways and better ways to measure that. The sex of a typical voter, which is a binomial distribution. There's other ways, better ways other than the mean, because we're just looking at two things, so we wouldn't really want to add up everyone. The county of residence also would be extremely difficult because it's not quantitative on its face. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can write on my Twitter, or you can write in the comments below. Also, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I will be posting a lot more videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.